Hi guys, if you're a fan of strawberries and mangoes like myself, join me. Let's make this mango and strawberry smoothies, guys. Welcome back to Patience Cooking, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, oh my god, thank you very much for always coming back. I really appreciate you guys very much. So this recipe is easy and simple, and it's in 4 minutes, guys. Let's go. First, we are going to be washing our strawberries with some salt to make sure it's very clean, guys. You don't want to eat dirt. So this is me washing and cleaning it very well, taking out the leaves. Then after, I will just chop these because I need to blend it. You guys, we are also going to be using mangoes for this recipe, and this is me peeling my mangoes. After peeling these mangoes, I'm going to chop it to the size that I need because we are going to be blending it for our smoothie, guys. So you know, let's go. I first added some ice blocks, then I added the strawberries, mangoes, and I added 1.5 glass of milk, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and yeah, then I blend this until everything was well blended. Actually, my blender has the option for smoothie, so I always use that option to have the best consistency, guys, for smoothie. So if you have this kind of blender at home, I'll prefer you always use that option for smoothies to have this best consistency for this recipe, guys. So now we are just blending this. You guys, and because I want to serve this looking beautiful and attractive, that even in a distance you want to try this at home, I decided to use some mangoes and smoothie to make it look really nice and attractive. And you guys, we are done. Look at how it looks. It looks really nice and tastes even better, guys. So try this at home and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure you're going to be loving this recipe, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe.